Are you tired of Salesforce showing the wrong time for your meetings and reports? Fix it in under 2 minutes with this simple time zone change. I'll walk you through the exact steps to change a user's time zone. First, access the Setup menu, then find the user, and finally, update the locale settings. Start by clicking the Quick Settings icon in the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, select Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box, type in User to filter the setup items. Now, click on Users under the Administration section. Find the user you want to edit and click the drop-down arrow on the far right of their row.
From the drop-down, choose Edit User.
Scroll down to the Locale Settings section. Here, change the time zone to your desired one from the drop-down. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.